Morning, everybody. It's 8:38 on this bright, sunny Monday morning. It was 60 degrees here yesterday, and it's going to be snowing 6 to 12 inches with high winds tomorrow. So, just New England. Hope everyone who watched the game bet the right way. Okay, this morning Asia is mixed. Europe is slightly higher. Um, Dow futures are down 50, Nasdaq down 5, S&P down 2. So it's pretty flat. I guess that CNBC does their own retail sales surveys, and they just came out with one that said that January was flat after, 2 big months going into the Christmas holiday. Okay, chart on the screen is the oil, and this I pointed this out a couple of times about the 5 and 20 day moving average. So we broke to the downside here, but now have turned right back up in 2 days. So um, I'm thinking that we're going to consolidate down here and possibly try this level up here around 79 and a half. We are right now 76.04, and that's down 80 cents. As far as the rest of the futures markets, it's very quiet everywhere this morning. Gold is down $1.70, but silver is up 48 cents. Copper is up a penny. I substituted cotton for the coffee in the charts with comments because this is this is a very interesting chart. A long consolidation followed by a very strong breakout on Friday. I'll give you a look see here. It looks parabolic here, but let me go back to the weekly and you'll see what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, I thought that there were a couple of ETFs with options, but evidently they've been discontinued. So I don't know whether I'm going to continue to follow this, but it is kind of interesting. I mean, this goes back as far as October of 22, and the consolidation is between 90 and 80 cents a pound. So, nice long consolidation, moving averages turning up, and price bumping up right now against this 100-day moving average. But, any sort of consolidation in here, maybe a closure of this Thursday to Friday gap, would put this on a very strong footing. The rest of the futures this morning, let's just see. As I said, S&P down a little, Nasdaq down a little. The Dow is down 46 now, and the Russell is slightly higher. The dollar is slightly higher. Bitcoin had a big rally over the weekend, got over 49,000 again, currently 48,165. That's up about 400, and the bonds are slightly higher, up 10/32, so 5/16. On the stock front, we have Diamondback Energy. That's the original FANG, FANG. It's up $1.41 at 153, evidently buying Endeavor Energy Resources, which is a private company, and that would create a premier Permian oil and gas company. They also raised their dividend. A lot of upgrades and downgrades here. Hershey downgraded to underweight from equal weight at Morgan Stanley. Tesla down a little, going to lower prices on the Model Y for a short period. Disney is down 85 cents at 107 and a half. The only news there is that there are two activist hedge funds trying to get seats on the board. Teva, one of our favorites, 12.36, up 35 cents, or just under 3%, upgraded to overweight from neutral at Piper Sandler. Lowe's upgraded to overweight from neutral at JP and it's 226 and a half, up about 4.5. Rivian downgraded 1605 down 63 to equal weight from overweight at Barclays. Unity Software also downgraded to underperform. It's 33.33 down 49 cents. And AbbVie is down 60 cents, so nothing special. Completes their acquisition of Immunogen, uh, but sees first quarter earnings per share slightly below consensus, but reconfirms guidance. After the close today, we have Arista Networks, ANET, which is up 8 and change. They have earnings. Avis has earnings, 172 up 3. Goodyear Tire, 1366 up 20 cents. And Waste Management all have earnings after the close. All right, folks. This market is kind of trying to lull us to sleep, but it keeps moving higher, melting up. In this week's letter, I reconfirmed the fact that I'm still looking for 51.42 on the basis of a measured move. All right, have a good day, folks. I'll be back later.